Hi everyone, welcome back with another quick and delicious recipe from a beautiful city in Navi Mumbai. This time it's my two beautiful cute nieces are the ones who gonna prepare this delicious recipe with their cute little hands. That's super yummy chicken vegetable sandwich. That's our kids' absolute favorite and it's very easy and simple to make. Along with that, also gonna prepare a very refreshing red lemonade drink in their own little way that tastes super awesome. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. So let's start. For preparing sandwich, we require 1 cup of shredded carrot, 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken, 1 cup of finely chopped onion and finely chopped capsicum, that's 1 cup too. Then we require mayonnaise and peri peri masala. And here I have taken 4 white breads. So into a bowl, add all the ingredients, that's the veggies and the chicken. If you are a vegetarian, you may skip chicken and make the sandwich with your favorite veggies. And that too will taste awesome. The veggies are added, then goes in the shredded chicken. Then to this we're going to add around 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then we are adding peri peri masala. Here I've added 2 to 3 teaspoons of peri peri masala. You may adjust as per your spice taste. Now mix it very well. It's my niece who is preparing this dish, as you can see. And the stuffing is ready now. Now you can either toast the bread or simply apply it on a plain bread. It's completely your choice. Our kids love toasted sandwich, so toasting it. Bread is toasted. So gonna apply the spread over it. Now apply the prepared spread on the bread, on one of the bread. And then cover it with the other one. And that's it. A super quick, super delicious chicken vegetable sandwich is absolutely ready. See how tempting and delicious this looks? And it's very easy and simple to make too. This instant recipe you may prepare for breakfast or as a quick snack, and your kids will truly love it. This sandwich is hugely loved by all little ones in our family. With this, we move on in preparing a super refreshing and a healthy red lemonade drink that's our kids' absolute favorite too. For preparing red lemonade, we require 1 tablespoon of sabza seeds. That's also known as basil seeds. Then we require rohabza, 1 tablespoon of sugar, that's fine or powdered sugar, and 1 lemon. Into a bowl, add the sabza seeds, then pour in little water. Mix it well and allow it to sit for 3 to 4 minutes. And sabza seeds will be ready. Sabza seeds have numerous health benefits, so it's advisable to add sabza seeds in most of your recipes. Now it's mixed well, so allow it to sit for some time. Now into a glass, add sugar, then add little water. Then to this we're going to squeeze 1 lemon. Now stir sugar and lemon until sugar dissolves. Sugar is dissolved now. Now to this we're going to add the soaked sabza seeds. Add in the sabza seeds. And then to this we're going to add ice cubes and rohabza. Here I have used around 3 to 4 tablespoons of rohabza. You may add rose syrup if you don't have rohabza. Then add water as required. Now stir it nicely. That's it. A very quick and very refreshing red lemonade is absolutely ready. This drink is our kids' absolute favorite. It's very refreshing and very tasty. Now garnish with lemon slice and enjoy this refreshing drink. We regularly prepare this drink at home as our kids absolutely love it. Hope you like these two recipes. If so, do try and I'm sure your little ones will truly love it. Also, like and share among your family and friends. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.